me see. Okay. Hi guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a minute. It's always a fucking minute every time I record a video. So we just gonna get used to it and just get better in 2019. But this will be my first official video for 2019. And I know in my last video I said I was gonna talk about this hair, but in this video I ain't talking about this hair yet. But let me know if y'all really want to see me do a review on this hair, because I don't know. But in today's video, it's not gonna be like an unboxing. It was supposed to be an unboxing, but your girl, I don't know. It ain't no unboxing, but it's another review though. Well, it's not even a review yet because I haven't put it on yet, but it's somewhat like an unboxing. So it's Dynasty wig. So yes, your girl got a wig. So this is the wig. It's on a mannequin head right now, but I pin curled it. So I'm gonna talk to y'all about it, like, and everything. So when I got my packaging, it come in a UPS thing, but the wig came in a box, which is real pretty. It's a pretty box. So it says hold on, let me see. Diamond Dynasty You Use Undetectable Uni. Can be installed in 5 minutes or less. And then so when you unfold it, it has the Diamond Dynasty. And when you open it, so how the wig came, it came wrapped in a net, and then inside the wig, like the cap part, it came with the little cushion, and then the wig came in a bag. And you also get, like how when you order bundles from them as well, you get a little poster card, and it tells you how to care for your unit: 1 detangle, 2 rinse, shampoo, condition, rinse, and then dry. So that's nice. But I don't really have specs on this because, okay, they did send me this wig, but this video is not sponsored because somebody came for me in my comments. But it's okay. No, this video is not sponsored. I do not get paid to promote their products. They send me their products. I still give my own opinion, my own review. So if I don't like it, I'm going to let you know I didn't like it. If it didn't work for me, I'm going to let you know. I'm not going to promote something just to get some coins or just to continue to get free help. But like I said, I've purchased from them, I want to say since 2012. So I genuinely like their hair. I don't like really curly hair. I can't say that, but that's just my preference. But like I said, this video is not sponsored. Yes, they did send me this hair, and if I don't like this shit, I'm gonna let y'all know, okay? But I'm finna go to their website because the wig is on their website. You can purchase this wig. So let's go see. And y'all, I'm doing this video at 1:03 in the morning. Yes, a girl is not tired, but I have been sick though. But a bitch should be getting better because who a bitch got. That was my New Year's resolution. Y'all, I cuss a lot. Okay, let me get off this. This is not what we talking about. Look, I'm already cussing. But let me find the wig. Okay, so I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see all this. It's a Casman UU 13x6 lace frontal wig, and this is the picture. I don't know if y'all can see that if my light's too bright. This is the picture. Let's see. So let me see. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have came better prepared. The price for the wig is $315 for that wig. Okay, this wig will be made. This is the description that they have on their website. So I'm reading off the website. This wig will be made with mink hair, which can be styled to your liking. Color, you could choose between 1B/brown. The wig is under the density of the wig. Okay, the wig under this link. So the wig in the picture density is 150. The length shown in the photo is 20 inches. So it's 20 inches. It's body weight. This will be a lace frontal wig. Wig comes already pre-put. The wig did come pre-plucked and slightly bleached knots where hair clips combs attached inside. It also includes an adjustable band for more secure. The wig, okay, so this is if you were to purchase the wig. The wig takes 3 weeks and 30 days to be handmade before shipping occurs. Okay, so that's what this wig is. So I'm gonna show y'all the wig off this little thing. So I did bleach the knots, and I did that's pretty much all I did. But I'm finna show y'all the wig. So this is the wig, like on my hand. Can y'all see that? Like the hair. Let me get up. I gotta get up. So like this how it look. I don't know if y'all can see. So the hairline, it look real good. Like for someone when I was showing y'all don't see the clip where I was showing y'all the wig because I zoomed in. But the other clips after that I was blurred out. So this is how the wig looks with me taking the curls out. So this is her, sis. She is pretty. And would y'all want to see a video of me installing it, like my very first install? Because I will be installing this wig myself. I've been watching a lot of videos, so I think I got this down pat. I think I can do it. So would y'all want to see a video of me installing the wig for the first time? If so, make sure you like this video and I will show that video. But that is pretty much all I want to say. I don't want this video to be too long and pointless, but yes, so if you like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. And after you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you don't miss the upload when I upload a video. And hopefully, when I come back with another video, I won't be saying what I said in my intro. Because I'm trying to get better. I really am. But that is pretty much all I have to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.